Yes, what if you could start a real profitable business today with $0? No office, no employees, no coding, just you, your laptop, and AI. This isn't a dream, it's happening right now and people are making serious money. In this video, I'll show you 10 proven, beginner-friendly AI businesses you can start for free. No degree, no experience needed, just an internet connection and some hustle. I'll break down each business step by step with no fluff. Ready to change your life with AI? Let's dive in. Here's how you can start from nothing and build something huge. First up, an AI-powered resume and cover letter service. Millions hate writing resumes and will pay for help. You don't need to be an expert, just use ChatGPT. Find clients on Reddit, LinkedIn, and Facebook groups. Offer real value, not spam. Post tips, then mention your service, custom resumes, and cover letters fast. Your edge? 24-hour turnaround and tailored content. Feed their info and job description into ChatGPT, polish the result, and deliver. Start at $50 per resume, upsell cover letters, and LinkedIn makeovers. One client a day could mean $100 to $200 a week, all profit. No startup costs, just your laptop and AI. This is a no-brainer side hustle. Let's move to the next idea. Next, launch a voiceover agency using AI. 11 Labs creates ultra-realistic voices in any style or language. Demand is huge: YouTubers, podcasters, businesses, audiobook creators. Make a demo reel with different voices and list your service on Fiverr, Upwork, or Voices.com. Set your prices per word, per minute, or in packages. Clients send scripts, you generate audio in minutes and deliver. No studio, no actors, just AI and you. Outpace traditional freelancers and scale fast. The AI does the talking, you collect the cash. Let's see what's next. Turn your scrolling habit into a social media content agency. Use ChatGPT for endless post ideas and Canva for quick, pro-level graphics. Businesses need content but lack time and creativity. Generate 30 days of posts, captions, and visuals in hours. Batch content for efficiency and scale. Start with sample posts for imaginary brands to build a mini portfolio. Offer packages, 15 posts a month for $300. Land clients via Facebook groups or Instagram DMs. Deliver, get testimonials, and grow. Run the whole agency from your phone. Next, offer AI-powered product descriptions for e-commerce sellers. Millions on Etsy, Shopify, and Amazon need better copy to boost sales. Use ChatGPT to turn product bullet points into persuasive, keyword-rich descriptions. Find clients by messaging sellers with weak descriptions, show them a free rewrite. Offer bundles, 10 descriptions for $100, 50 for $400. Sellers save time, you make fast cash. Focus on volume and packages, not per description pricing. One afternoon's work can pay for the week, pure profit thanks to AI. Let's keep going. Imagine a blog that earns while you sleep, auto-blogging with AI. Start free on Medium or with a simple WordPress site. Pick evergreen topics, budgeting, recipes, remote work tips. Use ChatGPT or Jasper to draft SEO-rich articles, then edit for quality. Monetize with affiliate links and display ads. One viral post can change everything. Your job is to guide the AI, ensure value, and keep publishing. It's a longer game, but the passive income potential is huge. Build once, earn for years. Ready for the next business? Build a faceless YouTube Shorts channel. No camera, no mic, just AI. Use ChatGPT for scripts. Pictory or in video for visuals, and 11 Labs for voiceovers. Combine everything in a simple editor, add captions, and upload post 1 to 2 shorts daily in niches like tech hacks or productivity tips. The Shorts algorithm favors new creators go viral fast. Monetize with the YouTube Shorts Fund even with few subscribers. One viral video can earn thousands. Consistency is key. AI lets you scale, play the numbers game, and win. Let's move on. For the productivity lovers, sell Notion templates powered by AI. Use Notion's AI and ChatGPT to brainstorm and build templates, planners, trackers, content calendars. Sell on Gumroad or Etsy, no website needed. Make your templates look great with strong visuals and clear descriptions. Promote with TikTok tutorials or Reddit posts. Share, don't sell. One viral post can bring thousands of buyers. Build once, sell forever, true passive income. Templates solve real problems for students, creators, and entrepreneurs. Low effort, high reward. Next up, local business solutions. Bring AI to your community. Become a chatbot builder for local businesses. Use no-code tools like Tidio or Chatbase to create smart customer service bots. Train bots with business info, menus, hours, FAQs. Offer instant answers for customers, saving staff time. Charge $500 for setup, plus $50 to $100 per month for maintenance. Start with one client. Let word of mouth grow your reputation. Most owners think chatbots are complex. Show them it's easy. Become the go-to tech expert in your area. Let's see the next opportunity. Thousands need great presentations. Most are bad at making them. Use AI tools like Gamma or Beautiful.ai to design stunning decks in minutes. Paste in notes, let AI handle layouts, colors, and icons. Promise 20-slide decks in 24 hours, no designer can match that speed. Find clients on LinkedIn or freelancer sites. Show off your AI-made portfolio. Upsell, script refinement, custom charts, investor-ready formatting. Charge for speed and quality, not just slides. You're selling confidence, not just presentations. Fast, high value, and scalable. Ready for the final business? The biggest idea, become an AI automation consultant. Help entrepreneurs automate tasks, emails, content, scheduling, customer service. Use ChatGPT to design workflows, Zapier to connect apps, Loom for tutorials. Sell complete automation systems. Charge $1,000 plus per project or $500 per month retainers. Find clients in online business communities. One case study of saving a client 10 hours a week will get you more business. You're the tech wizard who makes businesses run smoother. This is high-ticket, high-impact work. The future is automation and you can lead it. Let's wrap up. There you have it, 10 AI business blueprints you can start today for free. From resumes to automation consulting, the potential is massive. Some ideas can earn you extra cash, others can replace your job. The key is to pick one and start, experiment, learn, and stay consistent. Which AI business excites you most? Drop it in the comments. If you found value, like and subscribe for more ways to turn AI into income. This is your year to build something big with AI. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.